How to fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on Android. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on Android. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really even simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Microsoft Authenticator, and then it will actually ask for a password before we can open this because this is a sensitive app. So once we're in there, we can see all the passwords, payments, addresses, and verified IDs that this authenticator has been blocking. So when you click on this right here, it will show you the one-time passcode and all of that. So if you click on the three dots, you can see this. You can actually head over and diagnose this app by clicking on the settings right here. So what will happen if Microsoft Authenticator is crashing? So what we can do is we can head over and long press this, click on App Info, and then from there click on Storage Usage, click on Clear Cache, and also on Clear Data. And once you have done that, just head over back to your Play Store and look for Microsoft Authenticator. And if there's an update, then you should be able to click on the update and then open this app as usual. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on Android. If you have any comments, comment them down below and try my best to answer them. Thanks.